Welcome to PageFly template instruction video. In this video, you will learn how to customize template Centic in your own style. This template is an About Us page, suitable for all types of business. An About Us page is essential for your online website, since it helps merchants develop a relationship with customers and build trust by putting a face and a story to the name on the storefront. Using About Us page templates from PageFly will help you save a lot of time. There are many ways for you to access the template list. You can check the video in the description. I will show you one way. Choose Regular Page to create a new page. Click this button Create from a template. There are many options for you here. I will tick About Us. Now all the About Us page templates are displayed. Choose Centic. This is how the template looks like in the page canvas. The first section should contain information on your story's history, how your products came to life, your goal, mission and vision. Remember to show short and candid information. For this section, you will need 2 rows, each row contains 2 columns. On the right column, there is a heading and a paragraph. You can change the content to suit your store's characteristics. In the Styling tab, you can change the text styles. Add padding to create inner space like this. You can also change the font family and adjust the font size. You can adjust text alignment here. And don't forget to check the font weight and line height. Next, for the background color, I will choose the row. There is already a color for this background in this template. But you can change it by pasting another color code into this box. Or choose one from this palette. Now, let's move on to the right column of this row. There's an image element here. If you want to change the image, click on the element, then choose your image from the image source here. In the case you find the image too big, you can choose No for enable full width, then adjust the image width like this. To adjust image height, choose Custom for image ratio, then enter the appropriate pixels. For the second row, you can create a similar but reverse layout. I will give you an example. The second section contains a heading and an HTML video. For this part of the page, you should insert a video that is short and best describes your business. I will change the heading content. To change the video, click on the HTML video, then in the General tab, upload your video URL here. Video size has 2 options, full width and custom size. Choose custom size if you want to resize the video. You can change your cover image here, which is pretty similar to the previous image in section 1. The third section is made of 2 rows, one contains a heading, and one contains a content list. This section should be used to list your key features, or unique selling points that your products have. If you want to change the number of columns in the content list, choose the element in the breadcrumbs, go to the General tab. You can duplicate an item, or delete it. Then change items per row to adjust the layout. If you want to change this icon, click on it, then go to the General tab, choose a different one. You can also learn more about the content list element from the video in the description. I will customize this section to make it look better. To make the columns have similar height, add codes like this in the CSS box. The fourth section is similar to the third one. You also need to use a content list element to create a synchronization content. The recommendation from us is that you show your achievements here, for example your prizes, sales figures, number of customers, etc. The more impressive numbers you demonstrate, the better your chance to optimize conversion rate. Choose the content list item and change its background color in the Styling tab. The next one is a section where you introduce the core members of your team. This is a 2-column layout, with heading and paragraph on one side, and a content list on the other side. Letting your customers know who you really are will increase trust and make your business relationships more serious. I will add some styles to this paragraph. I will replace these images with mine. Then adjust the height here to make them look equally high. In the case that you want to center the text on the left column, choose the entire row like this. In the General tab, choose Center. You can see that the texts have been moved to the middle. The last section consists of a 6-column layout. Each column has one image. This Trusted By section shows your brand's credibility by other famous partners, so make sure you can optimize this section by adding your most credited partners' logos. To replace the logos, click on it. You will see that this is an image element. In the General tab, open Image Source, choose your image, then select the logo image you want. All the logo images should have equal size for attractive display. Don't forget to check the mobile responsiveness to make sure everything looks good on your phone. When you are done, click Save and Publish. Then check the live view. This is the end of the video instruction. You can find the link to our list of PageFly templates in this video description. If you need any assistance, reach us via 24/7 in-app live chat or leave us any questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.